Today I'll be doing from 31 to 60, and then next time we'll complete on Friday. ठीक है ना? Monday से we can start with our gravitation chapter. Fine. Can you all see the slides? 31 number. Yes. Question number 31. Yes. Okay. Fine. So I'll not waste time. We'll just start. Question number 31. A merry-go-round made like a ring-like platform of radius r is revolving with an angular speed of omega. So there is a ring platform which is there. So this is case 1. Mass is m, radius is r, and it is rotating with an angular speed of omega. A person of mass m is standing on it, the same mass. You can see mass, देखो दोनों का same है. At one instant, the person jumps off radially away from the center. So there was a person who was standing here. Okay, of mass m. At one instant, the person jumps off radially away from the center. So case 2 में the person jumps off. The person jumps off मतलब क्या? Only disk is there of mass m and radius r, and it is rotating with omega dash because omega will change because moment of inertia has changed. The speed of the round afterwards is how much? Now you can see over here. Pay attention to me. Pay attention over here. Can I say initial angular momentum of the system was I1 omega 1? I1 is of the ring. ये ring है because ये कह रहा है ring है. देखो ring है. तो ring का moment of inertia खुद का क्या रहता है? mr square about the center plus person is like a point and he is situated at the rim. So इसका moment of inertia person का रहेगा m into r square into omega 1. Finally, it will become I2 omega 2 where only disk is remaining. So ring is remaining. So only mr square into omega 2. The person has jumped off. So can I say net torque external is 0? That means I L1, L initial is equal to L final. I1 omega 1 is I2 omega 2. So I1 is, you can see there will become 2 mr square into omega 1. 2 mr square into omega 1. And it is mr square into omega 2. Omega 2 is twice omega 1. Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yes or no? Clear enough? So omega 2 is becoming twice omega 1 because moment of inertia has become half. Moment of inertia has become half. Question number 33. A flywheel is in the form of a disc. Now यहाँ पे disc दिया है. वो लोग देंगे आपको कि ring है कि disc of radius this much and mass this much. What work must be done to increase his frequency from 5 to 10? अच्छा, work done is, remember changing kinetic energy. Hello? That is Ke final minus Ke initial. Hello, ये याद है? Hello, सबको याद होना चाहिए. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What is kinetic energy of rotation का formula? Kinetic energy rotation का formula. Come on. Half I omega square. Don't do half mv square. Huh? Half I omega final square minus omega initial square. Half I. I is, it is a disk. So disk about the center is mr square by 2. Omega final का square will become 2 pi nf the whole square minus 2 pi n initial the whole square. हो जाएगा mr square by 4 into 2 pi का square बाहर निकाल दोगे तो 4 pi square n final square minus n initial square. Are you there with me? M is given as 2. r is 1 square pi square, n final is 10 square. देखो 10 revolution, 10 square minus 5 square. So this answer when you see is 1.5 into 10 raised to 3 joules. Typical NEET question. Important. Hello, are you there? Yes or no? Do you all understand?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. चलो. We'll come to 35. The ratio of radius or gyration of a circular disc and circular ring about a tangential axis perpendicular to the plane. Does anyone know the formula for I tangent perpendicular? Shortcut याद है किसी को? I tangent
C
perpendicular.
plus MR square.
IC plus MR square. Very good. अच्छा बेटा अगर ये डिस्क होगा तो क्या आएगा? MR square by 2 plus MR square will become 3 by 2 MR square. This is general formula. और अगर रिंग होगा तो क्या आएगा? Hello. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes.
अच्छा, what does K stand for? Remember, K is what? Root of coefficient into R. ये याद है किसी को? सब रूल्स याद है आपको? Hello. So what will be K tangent for a disc? Baba, please help me out, man. What is K tangent for a disc यहाँ पर? कितना रहेगा?
Root 3 by 2 into R.
Root 3 by 2R. And K for a ring? Root 2 into. I need the ratio of disc to ring. ये cancel हो जाएगा. कितना आएगा? Root 3 by 2 बन जाएगा. Yes or no? Hello. Important. Lecture is okay. Question number 36 and 37 same type. 36 and 37 same type. I'll do the 38 question. Okay. Now look carefully. Look carefully. Okay. Moment of inertia depends on what? What does moment of inertia depend upon? Arey bhai, please tell me. Moment of inertia depends upon distribution of mass. You know it, right? Distribution of mass with respect to axis of rotation. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Along which axis moment of inertia will be maximum? You can see the diagram in red color. I1, I2 और I3 is maximum. सबसे ज्यादा moment of inertia कहाँ है?
I1.
I1. क्यों I1? Why do you think? Because यहाँ पर mass is distributed. अब ये ना सबसे ज्यादा mass distribution है ना, देखो. So I1 is maximum. Now wait, listen to me. और उन दोनों से कम I2 and I3 है. Now pay attention to me. There is another concept हुआ. ये एक concept खत्म हुआ. अच्छा, मुझे एक चीज मालूम है कि एक स्क्वायर लैमिना होता है ना, लेंथ L का. So can anyone tell me what is this moment of inertia? It is ml square by 12. ये भी कितना रहेगा? Come on, please. कितना रहेगा? ml square by 12. Hello. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So can anyone tell me what is moment of inertia about an axis perpendicular to the plane? ये axis पे कितना रहेगा? बाहर आ रहा है. Which axis theorem will I use?
Perpendicular axis theorem.
परपेंडिकुलर एक्सिस थ्योरम क्या कह रहा है आपसे? What will be the answer? Ix plus Iy is ml square by 12 plus ml square by 12. Will it be ml square by 6? Are you there with me? Are you there with me? Yes or no?
Yes.
अच्छा, इधर ध्यान देना सब लोग अभी इधर. Pay attention to me. और एक consideration I am telling you. एक स्क्वायर लामिना लेते हैं. Can I say ये ml square by 6 है? Can I write this as this plus this? हेलो 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 हेलो, yes or no? अरे भाई ये x है, ये y है, तो ये z हुआ कि नहीं? Yes or no? Hello, that means indirectly what is the x and y equal to? Did you understand this? Did you understand this? Hello, beta.
So can
Hana
you
bolo.
please repeat this last part again?
Yeah. I'll do that. See. देखो. Square again. What is moment of inertia about this axis? अभी proof किया हमने. कितना है?
ml square by 6.
Look carefully, yeah. Can I say this is z axis? Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, where is x and y axis? X and y can be taken anywhere in the plane of the lamina. बराबर है क्या? तो x and y
Yes.
इधर और इधर नहीं लिया मैंने, इधर और इधर नहीं लिया मैंने इधर और इधर ले लिया. चलेगा क्या? इन द प्लेन ऑफ द लैमिना.
Yes, sir.
तो what will be moment of inertia about x axis then?
ml square by 12.
That means आप कोई भी x axis लो, ये लो या ये लो. Moment of inertia about this axis is also ml square by 12 and this also ml square by 12 and ये actually रहेगा ml square by 3. एंड है ना? हेलो हेलो हेलो, यस और नो बेटा, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
तो सबसे ज्यादा मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया किसका है इन तीनों में से? I1 का. And can I say I2 and I3 are the same? Are you all understanding? Good question it is. Yes or no? आंसर ये है ना? किसी को नहीं समझा? हेलो, प्लीज रिप्लाई yes or no. Did you all understand this thing? Clear है?
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Oh, fine. Question number 40. Listen, a thin uniform disc of mass and radius r is rotating. There is a disc which is rotating about an angular speed omega. So omega से घूम रहा है बाबा, ठीक है? Another disc of the same dimension of mass 1/4 m is placed gently on it. This case 1. Case 2 में क्या हो रहा है? ये इसका मास m है, रेडियस आ रहा है, ठीक है? अब इसी के ऊपर हमने एक छोटा सी और एक डिस्क रख दिया. उसको मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया बढ़ जाएगा तो उसका ओमेगा चेंज हो जाएगा. लेट इट बी ओमेगा डैश, व्हिच आई डोंट नो. यस और नो? कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज इनिशियल एंगुलर मोमेंटम? I1 omega 1, where I1 is disk, so it will become mr square by 2 into omega 1 is omega. Yes or no? This is L initial. L final हो जाएगा I2 omega 2, where I2 will be, पहली वाली डिस्क is mr square by 2, दूसरी वाली डिस्क is m by 4. Yes or no? अच्छा, सेम डायमेंशन है, it is not small. It is not small, it is the same dimension. तो मैं डायमेंशन सेम ही बना दूंगा. One disk and there is another disk which is kept here. बट इसका मास m है और इसका मास कितना है, m/4 है. Are you getting it? m/4 r square by 2 into omega dash, which is L final. Yes or no? Hello, hello, hello. Bah, clear है? L final will become m/2 r square common 1 plus 1/4 into omega dash. Okay, it will become 5/4, so 5/8 mr square into omega dash. Now I know that net external torque in the system is 0. So L initial will become L final. That means mr square by 2 into omega initially will become 5/8 mr square into omega dash. So omega dash will become 4/5 times of omega. So this will be the C answer. This is a very important question. As I told you, every year this kind of question comes. I1 omega 1 is equal to I2 omega 2, ring ho, disc ho, sphere ho, jo bhi ho. Okay, this question is asked in the exam. So please practice this properly. ठीक है? Hello, did you all understand? Beta, did you all understand this thing? Clear enough?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is 40th question. Question number 41 पर आता है 41. A ring is kept on a rough inclined surface. There's a ring which is kept over here. And the coefficient of friction is less than minimum value required for rolling. Well, the friction is insufficient. Friction is not enough for rolling, pure rolling. ठीक है? दिया हुआ है. At any instant, Kt and Kr are the translational and rotational kinetic energies. Then कौन सी आता है? अच्छा, it is kept on an inclined surface. It is not a plane surface. It is kept on an inclined surface. ऐसे है. अच्छा, नीचे कौन लेकर जाएगा इसको? इसको नीचे कौन लेकर जाएगा? जल्दी बोलो. Come on, who will take him down, Baba?
Mg's angle.
And friction is not enough. Friction is there. And I know that friction should be acting up only. This we know. Friction is less. So rolling will not take place. Rolling will take place, but it will be slipping. It will be slipping. Getting it? Hello? Yes or no? Asha, can anyone tell me mg sin theta provides linear motion or rotational motion above the
Linear.
center? Linear. This provides linear motion. And what about this?
Rotation.
So कौन सा काइनेटिक एनर्जी कम है? फ्रिक्शन कम है तो रोटेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी कम है ना? कैन आई से ट्रांसलेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज मोर? यस और नो? Because this is provided by friction and friction is obviously less only, so rotational kinetic energy will also be less. So I hope you have understood this thing. This will be the answer. Rotational kinetic energy. अच्छा, यहाँ mistake है. There is दोनों सेम ही है ये ऑप्शन. ये ऐसे होना चाहिए. क्लियर है ना? हेलो 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 हेलो. यस और नो? अरे भाई, करेक्ट है? यस और नो? क्लियर है ना? तो question number 43. Listen to me, very easy, very important question. Remember, I had given you the velocity profile of rolling. इस पॉइंट का वेलोसिटी कितना होता है? बोलो जल्दी जल्दी बोलो. कम ऑन. 0. This is VCM. And what about this guy?
2 VCM.
I had told you that velocity profile कैसे होता है? ये डबल होता है, ये v होता है, and ये 0 होता है. तो velocity keeps on increasing this way. Yes or no? So can I say जितना दूर रहेगा पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट से उतना स्पीड बढ़ता जाएगा. हेलो, तो आप लोग मुझे बताओ, इसका स्पीड, इसका स्पीड, इसका स्पीड में से सबसे ज्यादा स्पीड कौन सा रहेगा? जो सबसे दूर है ना पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट से, उसका स्पीड सबसे ज्यादा होगा. कम ऑन, प्लीज टेल मी आंसर, 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 आंसर.
A.
A, na, this was I think in the book also it was there, but exam also it was there, but that was not printed, na. Diagram was not there, na. Hello.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
ये बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट वाला क्वेश्चन था एकदम, कि पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट से जो जितना दूर रहेगा उतना उसका स्पीड ज्यादा रहेगा, बिकॉज दिस इज द वेलोसिटी प्रोफाइल व्हिच हैपेंस अकॉर्डिंगली. देखो ना, इसका स्पीड, इसका स्पीड. स्मार्ट एनफ, कम ऑन, दिस विल बी द आंसर. This is the question which was asked in the exam. I had just selected the basic fundamental questions from you. Okay. Question number 45. A ring, disc, so दो अलग अलग bodies है, have the same kinetic energy. So can I say they are initially rotating with the same energy? एक ring है, एक disc है, इसका Ke और इसका Ke सेम सेम है. Can I say K, इसका भी K. If we apply retarding torque on the ring, it stops, makes n revolutions. तो यहाँ पर एक retarding torque लगाया जब इसके ऊपर, तो it stops making how many revolutions? n revolutions. सही है. यहाँ पर पूछ रहा है how many revolutions will be made, मतलब यहाँ के revolutions कितने रहेंगे when the same retarding torque is also applied over here. तो यहाँ पर भी retarding torque same लगा रहे हैं. Hello, did you understand the method? What are they telling you? ये घूम रहा था के से, टॉर्क लगाया, n revolutions के बाद स्टॉप हो गया. कह रहा है डिस्क भी घूम रहा है के से, उसके ऊपर भी वही टॉर्क लगाया, कितने रेवोल्यूशंस बाद रुकेगा? हेलो, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन, हेलो बाबा, यस और नो? अच्छा, डज एनीवन, कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज वर्क डन इन रोटेशन? अरे भाई, वर्क डन इन रोटेशन का फॉर्मूला याद है? टाउ थीटा, एफ इनटू एस, एफ इनटू एस. यस और नो? हेलो, प्लीज से यस और नो. करेक्ट है ना?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, और एक चीज मुझे पता है कि वर्क डन इज चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी. बहुत अच्छा समय है. अच्छा, के चेंज इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या रहेगा? फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल. इनिशियल तो दोनों का जीरो है, फाइनली दोनों के ही से सॉरी फाइनली दोनों रुकना है, के ही दोनों का सेम है, मतलब चेंज इन के ही दोनों का सेम है, क्योंकि इनिशियल के ही था, फाइनल के ही जीरो है. आर यू सेटिस्फाइड विद दिस इक्वेशन? आर यू सेटिस्फाइड विद दिस इक्वेशन? हेलो, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, कैन आई से दोनों का के ही सेम है? दोनों का चेंज इन के ही दोनों का सेम है, टॉर्क दोनों का सेम है, दैट मींस थीटा भी दोनों का क्या रहेगा? हेलो, ये दोनों का सेम सेम, टाउ दोनों का सेम सेम, चेंजिंग के ही दोनों का सेम सेम, तो टाउ थीटा भी दोनों का सेम सेम. एंड थीटा इफ इट इज सेम, देन थीटा याद है 2 पाई n होता है, where n stands for number of revolutions. So number of revolutions will also be the same. So if it is पहले वाले को n लगा, n revolution, तो बाद में वाले को भी कितना लगेगा? n revolutions. Getting it? हेलो, दोनों का चेंज इन के ही सेम, दोनों का टॉर्क सेम, so we know it, right? N will also be the same for both of them. 46. If you don't understand, please ask me. Otherwise, nobody is going to explain it to you. 46. What is this answer? Come on. What is this answer? Work done by friction and pure rolling is Come on, man, fast.
0.
Why 0?
There's
Force
no
लग रहा है ना?
displacement.
Yeah, this is which friction is acting here? यहाँ पर कौन सा फ्रिक्शन एक्ट करेगा अगर आएगा तो? स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन. स्टैटिक फ्रिक्शन का डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट कितना होता है? कांटेक्ट इन प्योर रोलिंग 0. सो वर्क डन अगर फोर्स आता भी है बट डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट 0 होता है ना, तो वर्क डन इज ऑलवेज 0 इन प्योर रोलिंग, बिकॉज डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट हमेशा 0 होता है. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ द पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट हमेशा 0 है, चाहे फ्रिक्शन आए कि नहीं आए. डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो ही नहीं रहा है वो पॉइंट का, तो वर्क डन इन प्योर रोलिंग इज ऑलवेज 0. रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. Remember this thing. It's very, very important. Question number 48. It was also asked in the question. Very simple it is. What is torque का general formula? Force into perpendicular distance. Yes or no? O is the center of the equilateral triangle. F1, F2, F3 are the forces which are applied. You can see. What should be the magnitude of F3 so that total torque is 0? Total torque is 0. अच्छा मेरी बात सुनो. F1 कैसे घुमाएगा about the center? ये देखो तीनों का R, ये R, ये R और ये R तीनों का सेम ही रहेगा ना. अच्छा, व्हाट इज द टॉर्क ऑफ F1? F1 ऐसे घुमाएगा अबाउट O, F2 ऐसे घुमाएगा एंड F3 इस तरफ है ना. F3 ये देखो, F3 है ये, F3 ऐसे घुमाएगा. यस और नो? They are telling you in the question that net torque on the system is 0. That means anti-clockwise torque is balancing clockwise torque. So what is the anti-clockwise torque? First anti-clockwise torque is F1 into R. Second anti-clockwise torque is F2 into R. Is equal to clockwise torque is F3 into R. Hello, did you get it? Beta, yes or no? Arey, hello, yes or no? Can I say this R,
Yes, sir.
this R and this R will cancel. So what is F3 equal to? 1 plus F2. Clear enough? Again, a very simple question based on torque. Torque is force into perpendicular distance. So anti-clockwise जो घुमा रहा है, clockwise जो घुमा रहा है, because यहाँ पर question में बोला है net torque is 0. देखो, total torque about 0.2 is 0 दे रहा है. So net torque is 0 मतलब anti-clockwise torque is balancing clockwise torque, and we know how to do it. Yes or no, man? Yes. Come on. We'll come to 49th question. The figure shows omega versus T graph. Okay, the angle. अच्छा, VT ग्राफ क्या देता था आपको? एरिया. VT ग्राफ का एरिया क्या देगा? हेलो, what will be the area giving you?
Acceleration.
VT ग्राफ का एरिया
Displacement.
डिस्प्लेसमेंट. तो यहाँ पर ओमेगा टी का एरिया क्या देगा आपको? हेलो,
Theta.
एंगुलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट. Do you know how to calculate area? Half sum of parallel sides. What are the two parallel sides? What is 25 plus 15 into height? Height is 30. Yes or no? This answer will come 600. Got it? Hello? Hello, Baba? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct it is. Okay. These all questions which were done before. We'll come to all same questions again and again. We'll come to the 51st question. a sphere can roll on inclined surface at an angle theta. The friction coefficient is 2/7 g sin theta. Okay. Now suppose the friction coefficient becomes 1/7 g sin theta. Another sphere is released. ये friction coefficient नहीं होना चाहिए, सिर्फ friction होना चाहिए. Can anyone tell me what is the friction? या एक काम करो, फ्रिक्शन कोएफिशिएंट है मगर ये sin थीटा नहीं होना चाहिए, tan थीटा होना चाहिए. Can anyone tell me what is the value of mu minimum required on an inclined surface? किसी को याद है?
mg tan theta upon 1 plus r square by k square.
एक मिनट रुक जाना अभी. What will be r square by k square for the sphere? Solid sphere पकड़ते हैं इसको. कितना होना चाहिए?
5/2.
हाँ, तो ये हो जाएगा mg tan theta upon 1 plus 5/2. 2/5 का उल्टा, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? mg tan theta upon 7/2. सही है ना? ये हो जाएगा 2/7 mg tan theta. ये मिनिमम म्यू इतना चाहिए, इतना मांगता ही है. गिरेंगे ना? हेलो, यहाँ पर आई थिंक सर देयर इज सम मिस्टेक. हाँ, हेलो, ये tan थीटा होना चाहिए ना? हेलो हेलो हेलो, यस और नो?
होना चाहिए.
या इट शुड बी देयर. तो मतलब we'll just pick up the coefficient. How much is the coefficient over here? Minimum coefficient कितना है? 2/7. पहले कह रहा है 2/7 था, अब कितना हो गया? अब कितना हो गया? हेलो प्लीज रिप्लाई. अब कितना हो गया? 1/7. Is 1/7 enough or less or more? भाई मिनिमम is 2/7. अब कह रहा है now the suppose the friction coefficient becomes 1/7. Is the friction less or more now? हेलो,
Yes.
लेस. तो याद है पीछे हमने लेस वाला क्वेश्चन किया था. लेस वाले क्वेश्चन में कौन सा काइनेटिक एनर्जी ज्यादा होगा ऑन एन इंक्लाइन प्लेन? अभी थोड़ी देर पहले किया था भाई.
Translation.
हाँ, translation energy will be greater than rotational energy. This we had done it before because friction is not enough, is insufficient. Yes or no, sir? So it will translate also and rotate also about the center. But I know that kinetic energy translation will be greater than kinetic energy rotation. ये भी हमको पता है. Okay, and that slipping will be called as forward slipping because v ज्यादा है ना r ओमेगा से. भाई ये अगर आपको रिवाइज करना है तो आप कर सकते हो. v is greater than r ओमेगा, ये पता होना चाहिए. v r ओमेगा होता है ना रूलिंग में, यहाँ पर v is greater than r ओमेगा. Okay, angular momentum of the center will remain constant. No, it will not remain constant because friction is acting. Friction is an external force. External force में angular momentum is not constant. हेलो, कुछ याद आ रहा है क्या? Because external torque लग जाएगा ना. हेलो, are you well versed with the concepts? Friction is an external force. तो external force के कारण external torque बनेगा. External torque बनेगा तो L constant नहीं रहेगा. तो D वाला आंसर नहीं हो सकता. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now we start with 53. 53. Good question. We had done it last time also. Repeating it again. A disk of mass m and radius are rolls. Rolls मतलब ये VCM है और ये ओमेगा. What is the angular momentum passing through the bottommost point? Bottommost point को P पकड़ते हैं. Can I reduce this into two parts? Angular momentum of this point चाहिए. तो angular momentum का पहले के लिए केस 1 क्या रहेगा? लीनियर मोशन के बारे में बात करना है। मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम बताया था, ये एम पकड़ लो, सेंटर ऑफ मास ये वी से जा रहा है, and this is r about the bottommost point. Yes or no? Hello. So what will be angular momentum due to linear motion? You know it, man. Come on, fast. Tell me. ये last time सिखाया था some same. Come on. Angular momentum of the bottommost point क्या रहेगा? mv into r ना, r perpendicular. That is r or not? What will be the direction of this angular momentum? What will be the direction of this angular momentum? Take your fingers from r bar to p bar. Hello, please on your mic here. Hi, come on. Inside रहेगा. Oh, we'll talk about angular motion. Should be omega. So angular momentum will become IC omega, and IC omega घुमाओ तो it will be again inside. So can I say net angular momentum क्या हो जाएगा? MVR inside plus IC omega, that is inside only. तो ये हो जाएगा MVR plus IC एक डिस्क है तो ये हो जाएगा MR square by 2, and omega is V by R because VCM is R omega since it is rolling. R और R cancel हो गया तो ये हो जाएगा 3/2 MVR. I think so. The same question we had done it last time. And ऐसे रहेगा ये 3/2 MVR. And this is again very, very important. Please repeat. Fine. Question number 55. Aj, you will sit down and you will do all the 30 questions and repeat, revise the previous things also. A ball rolls without slipping. Ball is rolling without slipping. The radius of gyration about an axis passing the center of mass is k. If the radius of the ball is r, the fraction of the total energy associated with rotational. So can anyone tell me what is rotational energy? This formula shortcut I had given it to you upon rolling energy. Come on, anyone? I'm not telling. What will be the formula? यार this much तो you should know. Rotational में कौन सा factor आता है? A square by r square. And rolling में क्या आएगा? 1 plus k square by r square. So this is k square by r square upon r square plus k square by r square. R square cancel to become k square upon r square plus k square. Hello. This will be the answer. 55 done. 57. 57. Look over here. Consider 3 solid spheres. Sphere 1 has a radius r mass m, sphere 2 has a radius r mass 3m, and sphere 3 has a radius 3r and mass m. All can be placed at the same point where they roll without slipping. If they are allowed to roll on an inclined plane, then who reaches the bottom first, or who will have the same energy? What are they telling you that thing? Acha, what is the velocity when it reaches the bottom? Come on, tell me at least the formula, man, please.
Under root 2gh upon 1 plus k square by r square.
Beta, what is k square by r square for a solid sphere?
2/5.
चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, अब ये मास रेडियस इतना रहे या मास इतना रहे, उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. हेलो, k square by r square for a solid sphere is always 2/5. So what about velocity? When it reaches the bottom, all the spheres reaches the bottom will be the same, na? Because k square by r square for any damn sphere is 2/5, solid sphere. चाहे उसका मास कुछ भी हो, वो सब एडजस्टमेंट कर लेगा. So they will reach the bottom with the same speeds. अच्छा, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं who will reach the bottom first? Who will reach the bottom first? तो हमको एक्सेलरेशन निकालना है. एक्सेलरेशन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Can I say k square by r square सबका सेम है? So acceleration भी सबका सेम रहेगा because sin theta is the same incline. So all will reach the bottom at the same time with the same speed. All will reach the bottom at the same time with the same speed. Got it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's come to question number 58. 4 point masses each of mass are placed at the corners of ABCD. There are 4 point masses. The moment of inertia passing through H and parallel to BD. मतलब ये point moment of inertia ये चाहिए इधर moment of inertia. What is moment of inertia for a particle system? Come on, fast tell me. Moment of inertia for a particle system. Mass into. Bhai, tell me, mass into distance square ना. Hello. चलो इसका मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया कितना रहेगा? ये मास है ना m. What will be moment of inertia due to A? Mass placed at A
0.
0. Why? Because it is located at the same point. सही है ना? So IA कितना रहेगा? 0 रहेगा. Can anyone tell me what is IC? Hello, please tell me man. Mass into distance square. वो यहाँ से यहाँ तक distance कितना है उसका एक्सिस से? भाई इधर फाइंड करना है, नहीं ये एक्सिस पे फाइंड करना है ना आपको. और मास इधर है. तो कैन एनीवन टेल मी हाउ मच इज द परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ईयर टिल ईयर? हेलो यार,
12.
डायगोनल व्हाट
Root
विल बी?
12.
रूट 2l का स्क्वायर. IC is going to become m into 2ml square. ये हो गया. कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज ID? देखो ये एक्सिस है और ये डिस्टेंस मांगता है. ये डिस्टेंस कितना रहेगा? ये डिस्टेंस कितना रहेगा? कम ऑन हेल्प मी फास्ट. इट इज हाफ ऑफ डायगोनल ना. हेलो.
So,
अरे डायगोनल का आधा है तो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया अबाउट d कितना रहेगा? मास इनटू डिस्टेंस का स्क्वायर. तो l स्क्वायर बाय, and this is same only. IB is ml square by 2 because it is the same thing. Can I say net moment of inertia will be 0 plus ml square by 2 plus ml square by 2 plus 2 ml square. So this answer will become 3 ml square. Getting enough?
yes, sir.
Lot of exams are required in rotational motion so that you all can practice all the concepts together. Okay, whenever any concept is left over, you can just practice it. Okay, so keep on practicing the concepts again and again. आपको आ जाएगा. Question number 59. ध्यान दो. The density of a non-uniform rod of length L is given by this much. A and B are constant. The center of mass of the rod. Wait, this is uniform or non-uniform? Uniform, non-uniform rod. Hello? किसी को याद है क्या? Yes. So whenever there is a non-uniform rod, I had told you XCM will be integration of XDM upon integration of DM from 0 to L. This is integration of XDM. DM is mass per unit length. ये दिया हुआ है. That is given as A into 1 plus BX square upon integration of DM. This is actually your DM only. This is mass per unit length. Oh, sorry. This is lambda. Sorry. Okay. One second. Just we are telling you that This is actually a lambda. याद है ना, go to x and take dx. This is dm. dm will be mass per unit length into your length. This is 0 and this is L. So this will be written as integration of, ये तो formula standard है. This we had learned, x into dm. dm will become lambda, but lambda ये है, ये lambda दिया है. a1 plus bx square into dx, that is dm. Integration of dm. dm is mass per unit length into length. So mass per unit length is a1 plus bx square into dx. 0 to L, 0 to L. If I multiply this inside, it will become a x plus bx cube dx upon a plus bx square dx. Integration from 0 to L, and this will also be from 0 to L. a cancel हो गया, तो ये हो जाएगा x square by 2, that is L square by 2 plus b L 4 by 4 in the numerator. And denominator will become L square by 2 plus b L cube by 3. Now can I remove L square common? या L square by L square common निकाल लिया, ये हो जाएगा हाफ प्लस बी एल स्क्वायर बाय 4, नीचे से भी L square common, हाफ प्लस बी L by 3. Okay, sorry, length is given as 1 meter. एक काम करो ना, ये L square and length is given as 1 meter, so length की जगह 1 meter, if I put will become half b by 4 plus half b by 3, because I have substituted L is 1 meter, so it will become 4 plus 2b by 8 upon 3 plus 2b by 6. So 4 plus 2b, हाँ ठीक है, यहाँ से कॉमन भी निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग. ये कॉमन अगर मैंने निकाल लिया तो ये हो जाएगा 2 plus 2b by 8 upon 3 plus 2b by 6. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2 3s are, so it will become 3 by 2, 2 plus 2b upon 3 plus 2b. Okay, 3 by 2 3 plus 2b. Mistake. Look at the answers properly, right? 59th, 3 by 2, 2 plus 2b. हाँ 2 तो बाहर आ जाएगा, so 3 by 4. I've done something wrong or what? Okay. Integration. Okay. One second. ठीक है, हम लोग एक काम करता है, दूसरे मेथड से करते हैं इसको. ये इंटीग्रेशन वाला मेथड है. Just find it. एक मिनट. See, दूसरा मेथड क्या कह रहा है? मेथड नंबर 2, डेंसिटी इज गिवन एज a plus bx square. Put x is 0. लो 2 मिनट में आंसर आएगा. देखो, put x is 0. What is rho equal to? हेलो यार, इतना तो पुट करो. Come on.
0.
No. Look carefully.
A.
What is
A.
rho equal to A? मतलब ये कांस्टेंट है ना? हेलो, मतलब जब रॉड x पर है, x 0 पर है, हेलो, या तो एक एक दूसरा मेथड करते हैं, और एक x को 0 मत लो, रो a plus b x square. Suppose if I see put b is 0, so rho will become a. Hello, are you there? बाबा इधर देखो, हाँ, रो इज ए, मतलब ये रो क्या हो गया? कांस्टेंट हो गया. कांस्टेंट हो गया मतलब कौन सा रॉड बन गया ये बेटा? कौन सा रॉड बन गया? यूनिफॉर्म रॉड बन गया ना? हेलो, और यूनिफॉर्म रॉड का सेंटर ऑफ मास कहाँ होता है? यूनिफॉर्म रॉड का सेंटर ऑफ मास कहाँ होता है? हेलो,
Middle of the rod.
और यूनिफॉर्म रॉड COM is in the middle. Yes or no? अच्छा, x is given as what? 0 to 1. What is middle of 0 to 1? What is middle of 0 to 1?
half.
0.5.
ये ठीक है, ये हमको क्वेश्चन से मिला. इन द क्वेश्चन बाय लुकिंग इट I have done this operation. Now look at the answers. जैसे क्वेश्चन में I put b0 ना, वैसे आंसर में also put b0 and you should get x center of mass as 0.5. किसमें आ रहा है? Put b0 in ABCD and you should get x center of mass as 0.5.
A.
See, if you put b0, you will get 3 2s are 6 and 4 3s are 12. So you will get A, right or not? Hello,
Yes, sir.
did you get it right? So ये एक shortcut method है generally, which the NEET people apply. Generally, the main conventional method which I told you was the previous method only. Yeah? That was x center of mass is integration of x dm upon integration of dm from 0 to L या 0 to 1. ये चीज है. Actual method यही है. यहाँ पर हमने shortcut से solve किया. Fine with it? Question number 60, last question. ABC is a right angle triangle where AB is greater than BC. AB ज्यादा है. If I1, I2, I3 are the moment of inertias, then which of the following is relation is correct? Can I say MI depends on what? You know it, man. 10 questions come on this only. Come on. With respect to axis. मैं कहूँ ये ज्यादा है. Suppose ये मैं पकड़ू, ये 2x है और ये x है. Suppose ऐसे ही एग्जाम्पल के तौर पर मैंने पकड़ लिया, तो ये कैन आई से अगर मैं इधर एक्सेस लगाऊं तो मास इधर फैला हुआ है एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ x, इसको पकड़ेंगे I1. अगर मैं एक्सेस ऑफ रोटेशन इधर लगाऊं तो मास इधर फैला हुआ है एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 2x. गेटिंग इट? और अगर मैं इधर एक्सेस लगाऊं तो मास इधर फैला हुआ है, which is lesser obviously. Can anyone tell me which moment of inertia is the maximum and which moment of inertia is the least? Depend on this thing.
I2 is maximum, I3 is least.
Can I say I2 is greater than I1 is greater than I3? Yes or no? Hello. ये स्टेटमेंट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. डिपेंड्स ऑन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मास. तो जो सबसे ज्यादा फैला हुआ है मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया उसका सबसे ज्यादा होगा. So I3 is greater than I2 is greater than I1. Oh, sorry. I2 is greater than I1 is greater than I3. This will be the answer. This is an important question. So we have solved till 60. More 20 questions are only there approximately. That I'll do it next time. You all can also do. So we have done with our rotational motion. That was a major chapter. Actually, it was not a difficult chapter. It involves a lot of concepts. अगर आपने concepts वही 2-4 बार revise कर लिया ना, so you will get the hang of this question. Now gravitation is being done from next week. Gravitation is a very easy chapter. Okay. Then हम लोग करेंगे simple harmonic motion. फिर हम लोग current electricity कर लेंगे 2 chapter. ठीक है, चलो, thank you, take care, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.